Hey everybody, how's everyone doing? Coming at you with another video, guys. And this video is about my truck collection I was working on. I know I showed you the truck that I purchased from the flea market. And I'll say I needed one more truck to complete my set. So the last truck I needed was the '83 Chevy Silverado. And I just couldn't remember what it was each time I would go out to the flea market. To see what it is. Sometimes I keep buying the same truck. So guys, this is the one that will complete the set. So I'm not sure if this is a throwback set or what it is. But there she goes. So since we're doing this, that's why I not show you guys the whole collection. And like most of these, I probably did find at the flea market from time to time. I know I found a few at Target when I was looking for trucks. I have these moods when I go searching for trucks because I love trucks. The last truck I had was a Dodge Dakota, 2010. I guess the people who had it before me threw some pipes on it, and you can hear it coming. But now she's gone to the car graveyard, and now I drive a Dodge Nitro. So I'm a Dodge guy. Okay, so guys, back to the cars. This is car number 5. Again, this is the '83 Chevy Silverado. This is the final piece I need to complete my set. This guy here. So like I said, since we got this going, let's show you a whole set. Some of you guys may know what this set was called. If anybody do, please leave me a little something in the comment. Tell me what it is. This definitely is a flea market car. And this is the Ford 1940 pickup. See how it's sitting in there? I never could get it to turn. And I don't want to open it. But I can give you a little view of it. That's what she looked like. Uh-oh. Sorry. Since she's already on her side. And this be car number 1, guys. Coming up, guys, car number 2. It's a 1949 Ford F1. This car, I like this car. I like the gold. The white pinstripe, I guess. So that's the top of her. I'm sorry, guys. Normally I would open this, but since this is set, I don't want to open it unless I can find another one to replace it. But I've been working on this set for quite a while. Number 3 is the Power Wagon. Again, Dodge. the back of the front. Number 4, a 2015 Ford F-150. These are some pretty cool trucks. I have another set I'm going to be working on pretty soon. I try to, excuse me guys, trying to complete that one. Like most of these sets of trucks are the older ones. But I still try to complete them as much as possible. If I ever see them, I'll pick it up. And so that's what I did. I picked up the Studebaker. That led me to finding out where I can get the Silverado from. Okay guys, that's again, if you guys can see, the Ford F-150 2015. And this is a 10-car set, guys. So that was number 6. Am I doing it right? Those numbers. I'm missing one car. I don't know what I did with my other car. Truck. There we go. All right, I know I had it. Sorry about that, guys. There is number 6. And it's a Pat Beater. I thought I was losing my mind. So that'd be number 6. You already know this is number 5. Keep everybody in order. Number 5. A custom 62 Chevy pickup, which is number 7 of 10. Which is kind of slammed. Well, it's not kind of slammed, it is slammed. And this be another power wagon. And this will be number 8. So eventually, again, guys, I'll be making another video soon with my other truck set done. Once I decide to go out and start looking for them. I think right now is probably the good time to look for everything because there's not a whole lot going on out there now. So this is number 9, guys. A 69 Chevy pickup. like the purple. And the last one, guys, is the 63 Student Baker Champ. And on that note, guys, that completes my 10 truck set. I mean, there's a few other truck sets out there I would like to purchase, but not at the moment. So guys, hopefully you like my truck series. If you do, leave me a comment. If you don't, leave me a comment. It's all good. It's all about sharing. As they say, sharing is caring. And I care about my brothers who do Hot Wheels and my other friends that do mud bangs. So I appreciate you guys for hanging in there with me. I know I've tried to do my car of the day, but it's kind of hard. And all you do is work. They have no time to do it no more. I have to go through and find what car I like. It's like, too much to do. So guys, I want to thank you again for watching the video. Hopefully you enjoyed. And if you're new to my channel, thank you for being a part of a good group of people. Because we all are. If you love Hot Wheels or Diecast cars, you're a good person. And you with the right group of people. Because we are Diecast fanatics. Deuces, guys. I'll see you guys on my next video. I'm tired. I need to go to bed. But I have to make this commitment to put this video up. Alright, guys. See you when I see you. Later. Keep hunting.